In this video, I will explain you how to create anonymous complaints form. First, you need to change the title and click add-ons, click Enquiry form, load form templates, and then search anonymous and click the template, click load selected template, and just wait for it. Check the dashboard responses, question, and settings too. After that, you can refresh the page and just click Enquiry Forms tab and get the link. Click continue and choose your account. Click advance and go to Enquiry form. Next, click allow. You will get the link, just copy it and paste it into your search engine. And the form will show and you can use it instantly. And if you wanna change, you can add the row in questions, like just click insert row and change what you need, like type or something else, and it will show instantly. Or you can delete it too. Yeah, so it can disappear instantly. Next, you can also edit the color from white into red like this. Just refresh the page and it will change.